Welcome. On my GMC truck, I went from this look to this look, and here's how I did it. Today's video is a summary of an install that I did, a modification that I'd been wanting to do for quite some time and finally got it done. And I ordered from this company called Workshop 12. Now there are a lot of companies out there that you can order this particular device from. Workshop 12 has been amazing. They had excellent reviews. Their customer service is excellent. Like, I can email them or call them and immediately, almost within minutes, get a phone call back. They give you an hour of their time so that they can walk you through the tablet after you've set it up to help answer any questions or go through anything you are confused about or need help with or assistance with. They are very, very quick to respond to emails, and I just so far have had an amazing experience with them, and their customer service is top notch. They also offer a very thorough walkthrough and installation process for this tablet, and that is another reason why I chose to go with them. Is the videos that they have online showing how to install this is very, very concise and thorough. So I highly recommend them. I'm not getting paid by them. I wasn't given this tablet. I paid for it with my own money. But when a company gives you good service like this, you want to talk about it and share about that company. And my experience with them is such that I recommend it. And I will leave a link to their company as well as to this unit in the description below. And also I'll leave a link to the install video so that you can see, or if you have the exact same model of truck as I, then you can follow that. And then I'm also going to link a video from Don's Life, who I follow and has installed this exact same device into his truck, and so between the two it'll help you install your own. But again, this is just a summary. I don't go into that much detail because you can watch these other videos, but let's get to it. I'm not going to show you an unboxing, but here's the components that were inside the box. Everything was included. It's all plug and play. It's nicely color coordinated. You can't plug into the wrong plug because they all have their own designated slot. Here's the back of the tablet. Here's all the wires plugged in. And once your center console is taken apart, this is what it looks like underneath. You can see here I've started pulling the stereo away from the dash, and this is with the stereo out. And this is the back of the stereo. You can see a few wires that you will need to detach. And then here are the wires once they are detached. This is the back of the old unit, and the cigarette lighter is going to be your most problematic and hard to remove. Here's the back of both units side by side, and then here you can see I've started taking components out. Once the components are out, I just laid them to the side and got them ready to put into the new screen. Here's with the components all taken out, and here they are in the new screen. You'll need to drop the glove box down, and you'll see this hole right here where you're going to feed a couple of the wires through. And then here's the back of the new unit with all the wires reconnected into the original dash. The new screen installed before I put all the trim back together, and the new screen installed after all of the trim. I'm just going to turn on the tablet so that you can see it, and so you can see a few of the functions. I'll go into a greater detailed review of the tablet and its usage after I've had it for a while, and how I set it up and what I found works and doesn't work. that sort of thing. If you're used to Android platforms, then this will be easy. It's just like your phone or your tablet or your other device that runs off of Android. So if you have that already, this won't be a learning curve for you. If you don't, it might be a little bit of a learning curve, but the main thing to know is that you can have all your original functions of the truck. You don't lose anything. In fact, it's kind of nice because now instead of one screen, you have two screens. You can split the screen. All of the camera angles work, the trailering app, every single thing that was originally on your truck will work with this screen. And again, at a later point, after I've had it for some time, I will go into greater detail on how I set it up and how I've used it and what my thoughts are so far. But you can see I'm playing with just a few of the different apps that it has, everything from YouTube to Netflix, split screen, and the quality is, really nice. And I had a screen protector on it that was a matte screen protector, so I didn't care for that. I took it off and I like the more glossy, shiny look. So there is a little bit of glare, and depending on how the sunlight hits it, I suppose you'll get more or less. But so far I like it this way, and we'll see how it works out for me. So there you have it, guys, the install of my Tesla style tablet from Workshop 12. Again, I will leave the links in the description here down below so that you can do the install and follow their thorough and complete walkthrough and guide on how to install this in your own vehicle. As well as I will link Don's live video showing his install as well, and following both of these you'll be able to do this on your own. And don't be intimidated, guys. It's rather simple and straightforward if you just take your time, follow the steps that they show, and have fun with it. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be producing more videos and content such as this. If you would share the video with a friend, like the video, it helps YouTube push it out to more people. And I'll see you in the next video.